Well, there are a lot of reasons you're going to be noticed driving this car down the street, and also you're going to have a fun time driving it. This is a 2015 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray Z51 1LT Coupe with a 7-speed manual transmission. What a great car this is. Absolutely stunning. This is torch red on the exterior, has that jet black interior, and a beautiful glass top. Under the hood, you'll find a 460 horsepower LT1 engine with 7-speed manual transmission. Factory features include the Z51 Performance package. This includes the performance brakes, black brake calipers, slotted brake rotors, dry sump oiling, specific suspension, special front and rear wheels and tires, electronic limited slip differential with cooler, performance gear ratios, aero package, and multi-mode exhaust. The car has dual power seats. It has the Bose 9-speaker AM, FM, XM, MP3 stereo. It has the steering wheel controls along with MyLink. It has the Bluetooth package as well. Keyless entry and start, dual zone electronic climate control, HID headlights, OnStar, tilt-n-tele side airbags, and it has the rear view camera as well. Power windows, power locks, power steering. Of course, everything on this car is power. It has cruise control, ABS, traction control, and active handling. Best of all, we always say this car comes with a clean Carfax and that desirable 7-speed manual transmission. This car shows just 23,082 miles. This is practically a new car, and it's in very good condition. All of our Corvettes here at buyavette.net are hand-picked. The car's paint is in good condition, has great shine. The glass top is in very good to excellent condition, and a black vinyl wrap has been added to the underside of the car. Factory painted wheels are in very good to excellent condition, and the tires are brand new. Additions to this car include window tint, and it has the floor mats with the C7 logo and red piping. They're really beautiful. Of course, the car features a corrosion-free subframe. It's been fully serviced. It's ready to go. As we said, all of our Corvettes are hand-picked, and one of our specialist sales representatives will speak to you about this car or any of the Corvettes we have in stock. You can give them a call at 770-414-5552. Click the link right below this video, and it will take you to the pricing on this car, along with absolutely beautiful detailed photos of the car as well. Buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia. Stop and see us if you're in Atlanta. If you're driving through Atlanta, we're right at 85 and 285 interchange, and we'd love to see you. It's just like coming to a museum here at buyavette.net, and we can make buying online also something you can do with ease, most importantly with a great deal of confidence. For buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia, we hope to be your ultimate Corvette buying experience. Give us a call or come and see us really soon.